Hi, it's Linda from homeschoolingsix.com, and today I wanted to give you a peek inside some of the Basher books. I tried to find all of mine, so this was the only ones I found, so I'm sure some are in a bookshelf somewhere, but I just wanted to give you a peek inside. There's also some cards. Let me go get those. I only have the rocks and minerals, the cards. There's one for, I think, chemistry, too. Let's take some out. So there's the front and the back. And they're pretty sturdy. And the inside of the book, this one includes a poster. I'm not sure. Oh, yes, I do have it. So they're a good-sized posters. Some of them are missing because we took them out and they were hanging up and we moved and then they got lost. But this is one that we haven't taken out. And this is the card I just wanted to show you. Compare it to the book. So you can see they're colorful and fun. So that's Rocks and Minerals, Extreme Biology, and I got some of these at half price. And this one includes a poster, but oh, I do have it. I bought some on Amazon, and then I find them at half price, and I just kind of grabbed them. Since we have 6 kids and sometimes things get lost, so it's nice to have a few. This one, I know in our paperback, this one's a hardback, but the paperback one is the one we lost, the poster. So this one, did I read the algebra and geometry? And I'll show you the poster. I'm so thankful that we have a poster still on this one. So it looks like a big calculator. Extreme Physics. And I don't think I have the poster for this one. This was one that was hanging up at the other house. A periodic table, and this one I think I have 2. I think one's more updated, but I'm not sure which one. And this is one as well that we did we have a poster? Yeah, that we hung up. I remember seeing this one in my son's room, and that one. Hopefully we'll track the posters down so I don't have to buy the book again. Chemistry. And sorry about the poster being gone. In the back of the books, they have all the glossary right here. Biology. And this one has the poster in the back, so I'll show it to you. Okay, I'm not going too fast. I just know you all are busy. So there's the poster. And the last one I have is Punctuation. I don't think I have the poster on this. Oh, yes I do. Maybe I should pull that one out and hang it up in our schoolroom. There are a few more, and I need to find them. I think I have one on grammar. I don't know. There's so many titles. Well, there you go. There's a peek inside the Basher books. Thank you for watching and have a great day.